Hey guys, this is Hafiz. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prime a reefer unit. Yesterday one of my driver he dropped me a reefer trailer with empty tanks and the reefer unit was running, so it ran out of fuel and I'm stuck with this problem today. So I'm going to start this unit and show you guys how to do the prime on this. It's very easy. First of all you have to do is fill up your tanks and make sure they're full, and the next step is open the reefer door, and you'll see a couple things here. This bowl right here, you have to open this one, and this is a pump right here that you can open from here, and this thing right here, when you're priming it, make sure it's all the way to the left side, right? So first thing is make sure it's all the way on the left side. Unscrew this bolt and then you pump this, and if it don't work, then the next thing we're gonna do is open the bottom bolt, and there's a screen in there that we have to clean. You can see right here, it's a pump, so there's a bolt right here. If you open that one, there's a screen inside it that you have to clean, and you repeat the same process again. If you open this part, all the fuel will go back to the fuel tank. So if you don't want that to happen, I don't know if we should try that, but it's too hard. If we bend it, it won't go back, but I really don't want to do that, so I better just make sure that I clean it and put it back, and then I prime the reefer again. And once I prime it, I will make sure that it's all the way to the right side, like make it tight, and then close this one right here, the fuel pump, and then close the bolt. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. Make sure your reefer is off, and nope. If you see bubbles, I mean still some air in there. I feel it a little bit harder. Now you can see it's not going all the way in, so I'm going to tighten this one. It's the third time I'm going to try. Alright, now before I start it, I'm going to try another thing this time, which is starting fluid. So I'm going to find the filter, air filter, where I have to spray it. If you can see in this reefer, so exhaust pipe going out, and a small ring right here, if you can see. Right here, I'm gonna spray in there to help it start it. While I was trying to get it started, I think my battery is low, so I'm going to try one more time. Alright, so I'm just going to get a jump start from my truck because the batteries are low on the Reefer. As you can see, I just made a connection with my truck so I can charge my battery, because I think my other driver tried so many times and the battery is all the way down now. So there you go. I'm going to let it charge for like a couple minutes and try to start it again. I already tried a couple times to start this Reefer, but it didn't work. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this bottom line from this. I already opened that, so I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do next. So just disconnect this bolt and don't drop anything. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt in there, so I'm going to clean this one. You can see the filter. I just clean this screen and try my best to clean it. So I'm going to put it back where it belongs to. So okay, so the next step is to do the prime again. It's going to take a little bit longer this time. Alright guys, I got it started. So once you get it started, this is on pin right here. I made sure it's tight. This bolt is tight. As you can see, my reefer is running, and I hope this video will help you guys. So just follow the simple step. Make sure the reefer is off, and also make sure that the fuel tank is full. And the third thing is you have to do prime, and if it don't work, then there's a screen at the bottom of the fuel pump that you have to open and clean that and put it back, prime again. If it still don't work, then repeat the same process a couple times, and hope it will work for you. That happened with me so many times, and luckily I got succeeded. Only one time I had to go to the mechanic because my fuel pump was bad at that time and it was not pumping right. So he have to put some air into the tanks, which I'm going to show you right now. You see this fuel tank right here, and if you look at it, there's a small so you just take a air hose in there and make sure just fill a little bit, not too much, because you're gonna blow the tank. So because the tank is full, so you just give a little bit of pressure, and that pressure is gonna help fuel to go into the fuel lines and prime it quicker. We all set.